Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing and organizing everything. Prioritize unsettling takes and secondary audio. Set a 24-30 FPS 16:9 timeline, then sync clips to a scratch track so pacing feels human. Once done, trim to core beats and mark edit points for tension peaks. Make sure to stash your clean audio stems and duplicates for destructive processing later. This immediate structure prevents getting lost in effects, and it lets you test mood early by playing short loops while you plan distortion and glitch layers. Now focus on assembling the disturbing middle. Process audio aggressively but intentionally. Use pitch modulation and slow low-pass moves, then automate jump dropouts and binaural shifts to disorient the listener. For visuals, apply RGB split, VHS grain, and tiny rotational jitter. Keyframe occasional frame skips and doubled images to imply interference. Once you see rhythm, blend composites with soft masks to reveal anomalies slowly. And make sure transitions are abrupt only at planned shock beats, so the viewer's finish by balancing mood and clarity. Apply filmic grade, crush shadows, and subtly desaturate skin tones so faces feel cold. Mix audio with -6 dB headroom, automate ducking under dialogue, and add a touch of cavernous reverb to distant elements. Once done, render short test exports at target codecs and check for glitches. If things go wrong, bypass effects one at a time to isolate conflicts, and make sure your export codec preserves banding and timing so your intended artifacts survive delivery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.